Okay, this is another question. See what it says. Log x minus 5 raised to power of 5 in base 3 equal to 15. Find x. Let's read it again. Log x minus 5 raised to power of 5 in base 3 equal to 15. Find x. Okay, solution. I'll write it down again. I'll write log x minus 5 raised to power of 5 in base 3 equal to 15. Now remember, if a log is raised to another power, what do? We will take the power behind. It will be multiplying the log. You get? So I'm going to write that. I'm going to write it this way. So we are transferring this power to the back. That is 5 log x minus 5 base 3 equal to 15. So what next can we do? We will divide both sides of the equation by the coefficient of this log, which is what? 5. Divide both sides by 5. Divide both sides by 5. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 1. 5 here, 1. 5 in 15 is 3. So what do we have now? We're having that log x minus 5 in base 3 is equal to what? 3. So what do? We'll write again log x minus 5 in base 3 is equal to log. What is the base? What is the base? The base is 3. We say log the base, which is 3, raised to power of what? This 3. Remember that is base 3. You get? So log x minus 5 is equal to this 3. Now you say log. You use the base, which is 3. You raise this 3. You raise this 3. I get it. That means you write this base raised to power of this 3 in log. Now we are having common logs. So this log can null itself. This one can null itself. I get this can null this. They are common. Cancel them out. So we are having that x minus 5 is equal to what we have here? 3 times 3 times 3. That is 3. Multiply 3 by itself. Thrice or 3 times. X minus 5 is equal to 3 times 3, 9 times 3 equal to what? 27. Remember, the power is an odd number. The power is an odd number. Let's assume this power is an even number. We'll be having 2 values of x. Let's assume it is even. As it is 27 here, we're going to say that x minus 5 is equal to plus or minus 27. But because the power, this index, is an odd number, so we're going to have just one value of the unknown, which is x. So I'm going to say that x, we collect like term, x is equal to 27 plus 5. X is equal to 27 plus 5 is what? 32 rather, is equal to what? 32. As simple as that. Thank you.